Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin SushiSwap currently trading for $1. Guys, SushiSwap set an all-time high of $23 in March 2021. How long will it take SushiSwap to get to a new all-time high? And how high can SushiSwap go in the next bull run? SushiSwap has lost more than 91% of its value since when the market topped in March 2021 for SushiSwap. In this video, we'll take a look at the SushiSwap US dollar price charts, SushiSwap performance against Bitcoin, SushiSwap performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at SushiSwap market cap. It currently sits around $136 million after setting an all-time high of $3 billion in March 2021. How high can SushiSwap market cap go in the next bull run? Can we go lower than where we are right now in the bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, SushiSwap is down 4.1% in the last one day. In the last 1 month, it's up 1.5%. But the big one is that in the last 1 year, SushiSwap is still down 90.1%. How long will it take SushiSwap to set a new all-time high? We saw SushiSwap in the bull run go from as low as $0.46 to as high as $23.5, a 4,900% increase in the value of SushiSwap in just 132 days. It meant if you invested $1,000 in SushiSwap in November 2020, you got to cash out more than $49,000 in March 2021. Guys, what this price chart is showing us that when the market is in easy mode, when the market is pumping to the moon, you want to be holding a lot of these altcoins, SushiSwap included. Before SushiSwap went on that monster run, it went down more than 95% from the high it set in September 2020. We saw it go from as high as $11.5 to as low as $0.46. But when the market is pumping, when the market is in easy mode, SushiSwap can literally go to the moon. It went up more than 49x in the last bull run. How high can it go in the next bull run? If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that came in for SushiSwap in March 2021 to the bottom that's coming right now on the 18th of June 2022, according to this Fibonacci retracement tool, there's a very slim chance SushiSwap can get to as high as $90 in the next bull run. It sounds very outrageous right now. A lot of people might be saying, how is that going to be possible? SushiSwap is just trading for $1 right now. For it to get to that $90 region, we have to see SushiSwap go up more than 83x, an 8,300% increase in the price of SushiSwap. Guys, remember, when altcoins start going to the moon, they go to the moon very, very quickly. The only downside to that is that when altcoins start dumping, they can dump really well to the ground. After SushiSwap topped in 2021, when it was trading for $23.5, it has lost more than 96% of its value. It's down to $0.855. Can it go lower than this in the bear market? It's very, very possible. We can see SushiSwap come back to revisit the lowest that's been. That's around the $0.49. From where SushiSwap is trading right now, SushiSwap will have to lose another 52-53% of its value for it to get to that all-time low. And that's very, very possible for altcoins. When SushiSwap rallied in March 2022, guys, guess what happened? It took SushiSwap just 75 days to lose more than 81% of its value. So you want to be careful with altcoins when the market is dumping, but that is when millionaires are minted deep in the bear market. If SushiSwap is going to go to a new all-time high in the next bull run, we have to see SushiSwap go up at least more than 2,000%. From where we're trading right now, for SushiSwap to get back to that $23 region, it has to go up more than 2,000%. It means $1,000 invested in SushiSwap right now will return more than $20,000 if you hold SushiSwap till it gets to a new all-time high. Now, important levels you want to watch out for as SushiSwap is going to start pumping in the next bull run. Guys, you want to watch out for SushiSwap when it gets to this $1.8 region. This is a very, very pivotal level. We got rejected off that level in May 2021, and that level you should watch out for in the next bull run when SushiSwap start pumping is the $4.8 region. Now, we got rejected off that region in the rally we had in March 2022, and so at some point in time in the future when SushiSwap gets there, we might consolidate a bit. And after that $4.8 region, you want to pay close attention to what SushiSwap is doing around the $10 region. Above $10, SushiSwap is very, very bullish. Below $10, SushiSwap is very, very bearish. Now, before we take a look at SushiSwap performance against Bitcoin and against Ethereum over the years, let's take a look at some details about SushiSwap. Currently ranked 158 on CoinMarketCap. We have over 372,000 people that have SushiSwap on their watch list. In the last 1 year, we've seen SushiSwap go as high as $13.43 and as low as $0.86. SushiSwap has a market cap of $135 million, a fully diluted market cap of $265 million. Out of the maximum 250 million SushiSwap tokens, we have over 127 millions of those tokens in circulation. The total value locked for SushiSwap is $2.2 billion. Now, why do you want to hold SushiSwap through the bear market, and why will it go to new all-time highs in the next bull run? SushiSwap is an example of an automated market maker, an increasingly popular tool among cryptocurrency users. AMMs are decentralized exchange which use smart contracts to create market for any given pair of tokens. Now, where can you buy some SushiSwap? If you want to buy some to hold through the bear market, you can get SushiSwap on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on FTX, on Gate.io, on KuCoin, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Now, if you take a look at SushiSwap performance against Bitcoin, it outperforms Bitcoin when the market is pumping, but the flip side to that is that when the market is dumping, it dumps way harder than Bitcoin. When SushiSwap rallied in 2021, we saw it gain more than 1,500% value against Bitcoin. It went up 15x against Bitcoin. Guys, it meant if you invested 1 Bitcoin in SushiSwap price here in November 2020, by May 2021, if you cashed out those SushiSwap back to some Bitcoin, you would have gotten more than 15 Bitcoins. Now, since the market topped for SushiSwap in May 2021 against Bitcoin, it has been losing value. It has lost more than 92% of its value against Bitcoin. It's at the lowest we have seen SushiSwap since when it was launched. Can we go lower than that in this bear market? It's very, very possible for all these altcoins to set new all-time lows against Bitcoin in the bear market. The next time we might see SushiSwap outperforming Bitcoin by a lot, maybe breaking the previous all-time high, is the ending phases of the next bull run. If Bitcoin gets to $100,000, Ethereum gets above $10,000, at some point in time the next bull run, a lot of people will start chasing yield. You see them running to a lot of these altcoins, and I won't be shocked to see altcoins like SushiSwap breaking into new all-time highs. Guys, the FOMO in the next bull run is going to be very, very real. If Ethereum is trading above $10,000, you expect people to start selling their Ethereums, to start buying all these altcoins that will be trading for $10, $5, because you'll be hearing stories of, what if this coin goes to $100? What if SushiSwap goes to $1,000? At the end of the bull run, that's when you start hearing stories like that. We saw SushiSwap outperform Ethereum by more than 900% in the last bull run, and SushiSwap was even launched at the ending phase of the bull run. But the downside to all these pumps is that if you don't sell at the top, if you wait for the market to start dumping, guess what? You'll be left holding the bag, because we have seen SushiSwap lose 95% of its value against Ethereum. Altcoins are very, very risky in the bear market, but the bear market is when you want to be accumulating them. You want to be accumulating them with the vision that when the market goes back to easy mode, when the market goes back to greed, when everybody's shouting kumbaya, everybody's foaming at the top, that's when you want to be letting go of all these altcoins. You don't want to be doing what the crowd is doing. Right now that the market is boring, right now that SushiSwap is down more than 90% from its all-time high, this is when you want to be asking yourself, what's my accumulation strategy for SushiSwap, and what will I do when SushiSwap gets to a new all-time high? Because guys, if you take a look at SushiSwap's market cap, it went to an all-time high of $3 billion. That was in March 2021. Since then, the market cap of SushiSwap has been steadily declining. It has been setting lower highs and lower lows, and it went to as low as $100 million in the 2022 bear market. Guys, can we go lower than that in the bear market? It's very, very possible. The all-time low for SushiSwap market cap that we've seen on the SushiSwap market cap chart is that $69 million region. And for us to get there from where we're trading right now, SushiSwap has to just lose another 47% of its value which can happen in just a span of 3 days. As I told you guys earlier in this video, all coins are very, very volatile to the downside. So when the market is pumping, just because they dump very, very hard, that is why they pump very, very hard. They are very illiquid. Guys, if SushiSwap start pumping in the next bull run, I won't be shocked to see SushiSwap market cap get to as high as $12 billion. That's what the Fibonacci retracement tool is telling us. And from where SushiSwap market cap is right now, for us to get to that $12 billion region, SushiSwap market cap has to go up over 8,700%. It might not happen today, guys. It might not happen tomorrow. It might not even happen next year. But if you can envisage a world where the total crypto market cap is going towards $10 trillion, we're seeing Bitcoin trading above $100,000, Ethereum trading above $10,000, you won't be shocked to see SushiSwap market cap going as high as $12 billion. If it got to as high as $3 billion when Bitcoin was trading around $50,000, $60,000 in 2021, just imagine where SushiSwap will be in 2025. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, what's your bear market strategy for SushiSwap? Do you think we're going to break into new all-time highs in the next bull run? Is it possible for SushiSwap to go from $1 to above $23 by the end of the next bull run? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
1, 2